puppy. Hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy. Hi.
That one is pink.
My nephew hasn't left the room yet.
Wow, puppy.
My one is pink.
Puppy. How's you?
I think he just peed on you.
Did he? I hate you. Don't do that to me.
How's her?
How old's your nephew now?
How's
He's gonna be 4.
Oh, it's stuck again.
Hold on.
Hi, puppy.
Come on, stop calling him everything.
Hi, puppy. Hey.
Hello, puppy.
Hello, puppy.
Hello, puppy.
What's the puppy's name, Julia?
Doggy.
Rocky?
Bucky.
Rocky.
Shaking.
How old is she?
She's 2. She'll be 2.
She told
February 10th. Up here,
Oh my
puppy.
god. You share a birthday with somebody I know.
Hey.
He's gonna be 3.
Puppy. Oh, okay.
Chris is good.
Oh, be nice, soft. Don't squeeze his guts out.
How can you squeeze his guts out?